If you're in Antigua, Guatemala and love adventure, this ATV coffee tour is a must. We'll drive through scenic roads, visit a coffee farm, learn about coffee making process, and of course, taste some amazing Guatemalan coffee. After gearing up, we hit the road. Our first stop, Cerro de la Cruz, one of the best viewpoints in Antigua. You can see the entire city of Antigua framed by the Agua volcano. Standing here looking at the city in the perfect checkerboard layout makes you appreciate how much history this place holds. Today we came to do an ATV tour and we are at one of their mountains. I forgot the name of it, but there is,
I think it's Cerro de la Cruz.
Cerro de la Cruz, this Santo Domingo, right? Maybe?
Maybe.
It is gorgeous. It's about a 3-hour tour. This is the first stop, and now we're headed to the second one. Riding an ATV through Antigua, it's such a fun way to explore. The streets are cobblestone, but once you get past the city, the ride gets smoother. After taking in the views, we jumped back on our ATVs and drove through traffic towards the coffee farms. Did you know that most commercial chocolate is highly processed? Here we got to taste real handmade chocolate. Trying handmade chocolate versus store-bought is like night and day. The flavors are so much richer. I got pineapple. Did you? I got the pineapple cover and chocolate. Chocolate sweet, the pineapple is frozen,
¿Cómo se dice chocolate?
and
Chocolate.
but the pineapple is not super sweet, so it balances out pretty well. Next, we learned about the different plants on the farm. One of the coolest thing is the red seed here. Back in the day, they used it to stain meat so it lasted longer. Now, so cool to see natural preservatives still used today. Then on to the main event, the coffee process.
So the plant riders to stay survive, so start to suck all the nutrients from the cherries and from the leaves. So this is the thing. Of course, when it sucks all the nutrients, it's just going to get all the skin like super tight together. So of course we cannot get unskin it. When we get these kind of berries, it's going to be used for instant coffee.
I'm gonna try a little bean.
Yeah. Actually, there's
Very
a
sweet.
flower up there. It's called furicundia. It's a bell flower. That one, it's a mix between LSD and...
Time to see how Guatemala coffee is made. First, we explore the coffee making process. After picking, the coffee beans go through a cleaning and drying process. The farm uses traditional clay tile floors to dry the beans for a more authentic taste.
So, I don't know if you noticed too that we're already stepping on clay floor. Why clay floor? Well, clay floor actually helps us to dry faster and better our coffee seeds.
Back, just watch the coffee dry and get processed from when it was harvested. And now we're heading back to hopefully try some coffee. The day is beautiful.
Wash it out and...
The smell of the freshly roasted coffee was absolutely amazing, and timing is everything. Over roast the coffee beans and it turns bitter. That's why experts use a stopwatch to get it just right. Now the moment we've been waiting for, the coffee tasting. I love this. It's smooth, slightly sweet, not bitter. I'm definitely taking some home. From the ATV rides to fresh coffee, this experience was one for the books. I left with a deeper appreciation for Guatemalan coffee and of course some delicious souvenirs. What an adventure. If you're in Antigua, this is a must-do tour. Would you try an ATV coffee tour? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more adventures, and check out my hiking Acatenango video next. See you in the next adventure. Ciao!